Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off camera, shutter sound in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone. This is the shutter button. If you click on it, there will be clicking sound. Okay. Listen to this sound carefully. If you would like to turn off this sound, yes, you can do it. What you do is just click on the settings icon of camera and click on more settings here. And first option itself, you will be seeing shutter sound just to turn off, so that you will not have shutter sound hereafter if you take photos through your phone camera. See, upon touching this shutter button, there is no sound. Okay. So in this way, you can easily take take photos without clicking sound in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.